This video is for you, whether you're a man or a woman who is in their senior years and wants to discover a powerful secret to enhance your health. What I'm about to share can completely transform your perspective on masturbation. Yes, that's right. You'll realize that this practice, often surrounded by prejudice, can be the key to avoiding many health problems that come with aging. You might be thinking, but masturbation is condemned by some religions. I understand. But here, we're not here to judge whether it's right or wrong. What I'm going to show you are the real and positive effects on health, many of which are surprising. From improved blood circulation to preventing issues like erectile dysfunction and vaginal dryness, masturbation can be a true ally. Benefits of masturbation for health in old age. Masturbation, especially in later years, is a topic still surrounded by many taboos. However, the health benefits for men and women at this stage of life are widely recognized and supported by scientific studies. Let's explore these benefits in detail, explaining why they occur and how masturbation can contribute to a healthier, more fulfilling life. Improved blood circulation. Blood circulation is one of the first functions of the body to deteriorate with aging, especially in individuals who lead a more sedentary lifestyle. Both for men and women, masturbation increases blood flow to the genital organs and other parts of the body. For men, this is particularly important for penile health, helping to prevent erectile dysfunction. A study published in the American Journal of Medicine showed that regular sexual activity, including masturbation, is associated with a reduced risk of erectile dysfunction in older men. For women, increased circulation in the pelvic region can prevent vaginal dryness and improve the elasticity of vaginal tissues, according to studies by the North American Menopause Society. Release of well-being hormones during masturbation. The body releases a series of hormones that promote well-being, such as endorphins, dopamine, and oxytocin. These hormones are responsible for feelings of pleasure, relaxation, and happiness, helping to combat stress and anxiety, common problems among the elderly. A study published in Biological Psychology showed that masturbation and orgasm are related to increased dopamine production, which improves mood and helps relieve symptoms of depression. Improved sleep. For many older people, sleep quality becomes a challenge as they age. Masturbation can be a natural solution to this problem. Orgasm releases not only dopamine, but also prolactin, a hormone that helps induce sleep. Therefore, both men and women may find that masturbation is an effective way to improve sleep quality. A study conducted by the Mayo Clinic in the United States indicated that prolactin release after orgasm helps create a deep relaxation state, facilitating the onset and maintenance of restorative sleep. Thus, masturbation can be a natural alternative to sleep-inducing medications, which often come with side effects. Prostate problems in men. For men, regular masturbation can help preserve prostate health. Studies suggest that frequent ejaculation may reduce the risk of prostate cancer. A study conducted by Harvard Medical School followed over 30,000 men for 15 years and found that those who ejaculated frequently, including through masturbation, had a lower incidence of prostate cancer. The reason for this is that regular ejaculation helps eliminate toxins and carcinogens that accumulate in the prostate over time, as well as keep the male reproductive system healthier. Improved vaginal health for women. For women, especially after menopause, masturbation can be an important ally in maintaining vaginal health. With the decline in estrogen levels, it's common for women to experience vaginal dryness and loss of tissue elasticity, which can cause discomfort or pain during intercourse. Regular masturbation stimulates vaginal fluid production and keeps vaginal tissues healthier, helping to prevent these conditions. Studies by the North American Menopause Society indicate that regular vaginal stimulation helps preserve lubrication and elasticity, reducing the risk of urinary infections and intimate discomfort. Strengthening the immune system. Masturbation can also contribute to a more robust immune system. A study published in the Neuroimmunomodulation Journal showed that sexual activity, including masturbation, stimulates the immune system, increasing the number of white blood cells in the body, which are key to fighting infections. Additionally, orgasm causes a drop in cortisol levels, the stress hormone. Chronically elevated cortisol levels can weaken the immune system, and masturbation offers a natural way to control this hormone, helping the body protect itself from illness. Increased libido and maintenance of sexual function. For both men and women, regular masturbation can help maintain active sexual function, something that is often lost with aging. By stimulating the sexual organs, masturbation maintains sensitivity and sexual desire. preventing the loss of libido that is common with the decrease in sex hormones. A study from the Journal of Sex Research in the United States showed that regular masturbation can help men maintain erectile function and help women prevent decreased vaginal sensitivity. Chronic pain relief. Masturbation and orgasm have a natural pain-relieving effect thanks to the release of endorphins in the body. These substances act as natural painkillers, helping to mitigate chronic pain, such as back pain and joint pain, which are common among the elderly. According to a study from the Journal of Pain in the United States, masturbation can provide significant pain relief based on the release of endorphins and other neurotransmitters that help block pain signals in the brain. Therefore, both men and women can use this practice as a natural and safe way to relieve pain without the excessive use of medications. These benefits show that masturbation in old age goes far beyond myths and taboos. It is a healthy practice with a series of positive effects for the body and mind, for both men and women. In addition to improving sexual health, masturbation can help maintain a good quality of life, prevent diseases, enhance sleep, and relieve stress. With all these benefits backed by scientific studies, it is crucial that this practice be seen from the perspective of health and self-care, promoting a more active and happy life in later years. Masturbation can play an important role in preventing vaginal atrophy, a condition where vaginal tissue becomes thin and dry due to a decrease in estrogen levels. It helps maintain vaginal elasticity and natural lubrication, which can prevent discomfort and pain during sexual intercourse. A study published in the Journal of Women's Health showed that masturbation can improve vaginal health in older women, helping to prevent atrophy and improve sexual function. Myth 1. Masturbation is a sign that a person is dissatisfied with their sex life or partner. False. Another common myth is that masturbation is exclusive to people dissatisfied with their sex life or partner. This is not true, especially in old age. Masturbation can be a form of pleasure and self-awareness that complements and does not replace sexual life with a partner. Research published in the Journal of Sex Research indicates that many older couples continue to masturbate individually, even in healthy and satisfying relationships. Masturbation is seen as a form of self-satisfaction that does not diminish the connection between partners. By separating myths from facts about masturbation in old age, we can better understand the benefits of this practice while dispelling outdated and tedious beliefs. Far from being harmful, masturbation can be an important part of physical, emotional, and sexual well-being for both men and women. By demystifying these myths, we hope you feel more comfortable exploring your sexuality in a healthy and informed way, without guilt or shame. The best natural remedy to cleanse the penis, blood vessels, and strengthen erections. Currently, many men face intimate health difficulties and seek quick solutions in medications, which often come with a concerning list of side effects. However, there is a treasure trove of knowledge passed down through generations about the use of natural ingredients to promote sexual health. A powerful recipe, often forgotten, may be the key to cleanse the blood vessels of the penis and strengthen erections. Let's explore this recipe, its preparation, its benefits, and the reasons why it's so effective. Ingredients: 1 medium beetroot, 2 medium carrots, 1 piece of fresh ginger, about 5 centimeters, juice of half a lemon, filtered water to taste. Preparation: start by washing the beetroot, carrots, and ginger well. Peel the beetroot and carrots and cut them into smaller pieces to ease the blending process. Place the beetroot, carrot, and ginger pieces into the blender. Add enough filtered water to cover the ingredients and blend until smooth. If you prefer a smoother texture, strain the juice with a fine sieve or clean cloth. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into the mixture and stir well. How to use correctly: consume this juice daily, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach for the best results. Keep this practice for at least 1 month to start noticing the benefits. Benefits of the ingredients: beetroot, rich in nitrates. Beetroot improves blood circulation because the nitrates are converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide helps dilate blood vessels, promoting better blood flow, essential for a healthy erection. A study published in the Journal of Physiology revealed that beetroot consumption can increase exercise capacity and improve cardiovascular function. Carrot, rich in beta-carotene, an antioxidant that helps protect blood vessels and improves heart health. Carrots also contain fiber that helps control cholesterol levels. A Harvard University study indicated that carrot consumption is associated with a reduced risk of heart disease. Ginger, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, ginger helps improve blood circulation and reduces inflammation, contributing to a stronger erection. The University of Sydney published an article highlighting that ginger can increase libido and improve sexual function. Lemon. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, which helps improve blood vessel health and strengthens the immune system. Vitamin C also plays a crucial role in collagen production, essential for tissue health. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition showed that vitamin C is related to sexual health in men. Why this recipe is so good? This recipe is effective due to the powerful combination of ingredients that work synergistically to promote vascular and sexual health. The nutrients in each component help improve blood circulation, increase libido, and strengthen erections, all naturally and without the side effects associated with pharmaceutical medications. By incorporating this natural recipe into your daily routine, you'll notice significant improvements in your intimate health over time, as well as an overall sense of well-being. Remember, by opting for natural solutions, you're making an investment in your long-term health, avoiding the risks associated with synthetic treatments. As always, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. In this video, we explored key topics about masturbation in old age and its positive impacts on health. We discussed the benefits of masturbation for both men and women, highlighting how this practice can improve circulation, cardiovascular health, and even mental health. We saw the importance of avoiding pornography consumption, recognizing the harms that this practice can bring to emotional and sexual health, and how it's vital to seek healthy alternatives. We also addressed myths and facts related to masturbation, debunking false beliefs, and reaffirming that, when done healthily and without pornography, masturbation is indeed a beneficial act for the body. Finally, we presented a powerful natural recipe to cleanse the blood vessels of the penis and strengthen erections, offering a healthy alternative to conventional medications. Once again, we remind you that masturbation is a healthy act for our body, especially when pornography is not involved. Now, we'd love to hear your opinion. Do you practice this habit, or are you against it? Explain in the comments. Don't forget to rate this content from 0 to 10. Your evaluation is very important to us, so we know if we're on track or need to improve something. If you've made it this far and liked what you learned, leave the phrase, "Love is medicine for the soul," in the comments. Thank you so much for your presence. If you want to keep receiving our health content, subscribe and activate the notification bell. A big hug and stay with God.